Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it'd be a great idea to show you guys how I make these cute custom branded stickers. So if you're curious to see how I made these cute stickers, keep watching. So I made these for my small business. I basically just use them for all my branding purposes. I put them on basically anything that you can put them on because I think branding is really important when you have a small business and you're trying to get your name out there and try to get a reoccurring customer base. So I just think when you take your brand seriously, others will notice that, and maybe those customers will keep coming back to you because you look so professional and they can recommend you to other people and you just stand out above the rest. So I definitely recommend putting these on everything. Alright guys, so for this craft, you're obviously just going to need your computer, your Cricut machine, some type of sticker paper or printable vinyl, and your cutting mat. So let's get started. Okay guys, so you're going to want to start with a blank canvas on your Cricut design space. And I already have my logo right here, and then I just have some text on the outline of the circle. It just says, be sure to check out our website at paintedgypsydesign.com, and then I have my Instagram and my Facebook. Now, I designed this on my Procreate app, and I have already cut this out before on my Cricut, but I just wanted to start with a new project for you guys. So what I'm going to do here is, because I'm wanting to make a whole sheet of stickers, I'm going to go to Shapes, and with Print and Cut, you can only cut 6.75 by 9.25. So I'm just changing my shape's dimensions to where it is 6.75 wide by 9.25 in height. And I just like to do this, and then I put it right at my access point up here so that I know where to place my stickers. So I'm going to actually change the color of this just so we can see a little bit better. And then I'm going to move this to the back so that our stickers are on top. See? So let me get this a little bit smaller, and then now we can size our stickers how big we want them. So I want my stickers to be about 2 inches wide. So I want to change the size of my stickers. So what I'm going to do is come up here, and I'm just going to hit 2 and then hit enter, and it automatically will make my sticker so that it is 2 inches wide. So now I'm just going to go through and duplicate this. So as you guys can see here, I get about 3 in a row. And then I'm just going to hold down my shift key and click each circle and then hit duplicate so that I can duplicate 3 at a time instead of 1 at a time. And then same thing, shift and duplicate. And now we are done. I don't think I can fit any more in there unless I just make some small stickers, which I guess we can do. So I'm just going to try to move these down just a little bit. Move these up just a little bit. And then let's duplicate one. See, that doesn't really fit there. It's definitely going to like cut into another sticker. So I'm just going to make this one a little bit smaller and then just squeeze it in here and duplicate to squeeze one right there. All right, perfect. So now I can delete my rectangle, and now I'm just going to drag over this, and I'm going to hit attach so that this is now one solid piece, and whenever I go to hit print and cut, I'm not going to try to move them around for me. It's going to keep them exactly how I have placed right here. So now I'm going to go to make it, and then I'm going to go to continue, and send to printer. And I'm going to be printing these on my HP DeskJet 3700. And because these are black stickers, I'm going to go ahead and hit add bleed. If it was like a white border sticker, I wouldn't do that, but in this case I am. And then I always hit use system dialog and then I hit print. So whenever you hit use system dialog, you should get a pop-up box. On my old printer, sometimes I had to minimize my Cricut window and it would be behind that. So you just have to look for it sometimes if it doesn't just pop up on top of all your other windows. So just keep that in mind. So here I can change anything as far as the settings go. On here, all printers are different. They're going to show something different. So my Epson printer shows something completely different than my HP printer. So I don't know why they are like that, but they just are. So here you can hit what you're trying to change, and I'm just going to leave this on media and quality because this is what I want to change right here. So paper type, you can put auto select, photo glossy paper, or plain paper. Because my sticker paper is like a matte paper, it feels just like a normal piece of paper, I'm going to hit plain paper. And if I was using like printable vinyl and it had like a little bit of like a sheen to it or gloss to it, then I would obviously hit that photo gloss. And then down here, quality, this is your print quality, and I always move this over to best, and then I'll hit print. So now it's going to print it on my printer. Okay, so we have printed out our stickers here, and now we are ready to cut them out. So I am just going to do this printable sticker paper. And because I'm going to keep this sheet and I'm going to keep peeling stickers off of it, and I don't want them to be individual stickers, I'm going to change my cutting pressure to less. And then I'm ready to cut them. So I'm going to load them in my Cricut machine and cut them out. Okay guys, so I have my printed stickers here. As you can see, they come out pretty good. And this is just a basic HP DeskJet, and I'll be sure to link that in the description for you guys. So I'm just going to put it on my mat, cut these babies out. Okay, so now I'm ready to load my mat and start cutting these out. Okay, so here they are all cut out. So now I can either leave them like this, or I can weed off the background, which I like to do just because it makes peeling them up just a little bit easier for me. So now I have a page of stickers that I can just put in my desk, and whenever I need to use a sticker, I can use it for my packaging or the bottom of my tumblers or whatever I need it for. But how cool is that? So now you have personal, customizable stickers that can have your business, or maybe you just want to make them, you know, to go on like your regular mail or whatever. Or you could put, I've seen a lot of people do like, thank you for buying from a small business, or thanks for your order, or happy mail, or whatever. So you could do anything you wanted. Like, the possibilities are endless. I just thought this was a neat idea, and it definitely saves you money versus buying stickers on Avery. Alright guys, like I said, the possibilities are endless with this. You can do whatever you want to do. So as always, if you have any questions or comments, just drop a comment below. If you like this video, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to click that subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any other crafting tutorials.